And this experiment is to evaluate phase difference between two sinusoidal signals uh, applied to the x and y inputs of CRO. In this experiment, we will see that we are using one function generator and one CRO. So purpose of function generator is we can select the function like from one here. Similarly, a range of the frequency can be selected from here. Different type of ranges are available. So according to need, you can select like it is 10 hertz, then it is 100, that is 1 kilohertz, and so on. So the frequency you can select from here. Then the frequency adjustment. If you want to just adjust the frequency on this generator, you can do from number 4, right? This is the basically number 4. And similarly, if you want fine adjustment of the frequency signal which we are getting from the function generator, then you can have from the this 6 one. Other functions are also available. We are not using that. Similarly, output of the signal can be have from 12. So whatever the signal we are getting from the function generator, you can take the output from this 12. In this way, this function generator we are using like this one. Further, this is a oscilloscope which we are using. So different functions are available in the oscilloscope, and we are using only particularly green I have shown. Like if you want the intensity adjustment, that you can have from point 2. Similarly, focus adjustment can be done with the help of this knob. Similarly, if you want the 5 and 6, this are here basically what we are doing is whatever the signal we are getting from the function generator. So we are putting the signal here and channel 2, right? 5 and 6 are those. And then if you want the up and down of the signal on the this screen, that can be done with the help of this one point, this number 10 knob 10 knob here or here, depending upon where the signal is fed. So accordingly you can adjust the signal. Similarly, uh, other applications are available. So like this time per division that's of signal can be selected from this 19. Then 24, this one means if you want to shift the signal here or here, in this way you can do with the as well this knob, right? In this way, other facilities are also available. Many facilities are available CRO, so we are using only few. Uh, Important thing is that here the setting will be XY always, right? Because we are giving the signal to two channel together, so XY signal should be there, right? So what we are doing is we are getting a signal from uh, this function generator, right? So here basically what we are doing is one signal, one one part of signal mean two wires are directly fed to the channel 1 or channel 2, whatever you want. And in the second case is that the signal is taken from the same function generator and is fed through the capacitor and resistance, right, to this other channel. The purpose is that we want to introduce the phase difference. Only thing is in the this CRO, the adjustment here will be XY. So that we have to. Further, what we are getting is so phase difference will be there. So you can measure the phase difference with the help of this. You can make the you can trace it on the graph, this tracing paper. Then you can see this line is basically cutting here, and this center point, and second part is cutting here. Mean this length xy x1, this is x2. So that we are measuring and the ratio will be taken. Then sine inverse of that ratio is basically phase difference between the two sinusoidal signals. So phase difference, we have different type of phase difference. I have checked. What we are doing is like this is a resistance. So in one case 20 kilo ohm, then 68, then 200, and capacity I have taken same. So resistance is different. So it means what will happen? A different type of phase difference will be there. So this is the length of the x1 or x2 of this signal, and similarly this is these two lines are basically on this shape we have to measure, right? Similarly here also these two lines we can measure from this one. If you calculate the phase difference, mean ratio of these two, these two, that will be so average we are not taking. Reason is different type of options are there, right? Because it is 20, 68, 200, so all these are different. So we are not taking average. So different type of phase differences you can introduce by picking the resistance and capacitance. If you take all the readings, same resistance, same capacitance, then you can take the average. Otherwise, we can't take the average. This was the phase difference.